If your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hey folks, Larry here. Welcome to Larry's mail call. Fooled you. Anyway, look here, folks. Look it. All right. We got two big packages, and they come one for me and one for Mr. Announcer. Wow. Okay. Wow. Huh. So, Mr. Announcer, can I open yours up and show them or not?
Yes, you can.
Wow. And they're all from Ricky. Thank you, Ricky. Ricky rocks.
Thank you, Ricky.
Wow. So energetic. Let's open it up. Let's see, Mr. Announcer, what you got. Uh-oh. 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 Looky there. Maybe you can explain that.
Okay.
Here we go.
Yes.
Tell the story.
Animal Crossing, which is pretty much the video game of the year, and I've been playing it pretty much every day since spring break occurred last March. And this is an official sticker book. Cool. All sorts of activities.
Yep.
There are the characters. This is neat. Thank you.
Let's open it up down here so everybody can look. Look at all these stickers. Wow. Boy, look, it's got stuff in it. Look at all this. Do you know what to do with all this stuff?
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Look. When I do my letters. Look at all this stuff.
Okay, I'm going to have to hide it from him.
Yeah, look at all this. Oh, wow, this is cool. I guess you put them in with a theme or a story or something.
No, there's directions on these different...
They're breaking the ground. Huh. Wow. All right. Well, there you go. Wow. Thank you, Rick.
Yay.
All right. Now, this is for me from Rick. Thank you, Rick. Rick. All right. Larry the Pin Bug. All right. Let's open it up. Oh, a Cubby. Look, Cubby.
Oh, it does.
My stars, look at that. Oh. Well, thank you so much. Look at that. I wonder, does he do anything? The world's cutest dog. Look at that. Isn't that something? Look, Cubby. There he is. Oh. Oh, the Cubbish. The Cubbish. I hear. Well, the latest on Cubby, I've said it before, I'll say it again. We looked up his symptoms, and Alzheimer's is what he has, for sure. Or they call it dementia?
It's a doggy dementia, yeah. I've forgotten that. It's CDS or something. And
every symptom that's on it, for either one, that's what Cubby has. And they're saying a lot of dogs that get older get this. And there is, you have to do a lab and x-ray on to make sure. But, you know, he's hitting every single one of the diagnoses that's stated. A list of them. He's got it. Shows it. Got him for this Saturday. He gets a shot every 2 weeks for...
to help his joints.
Yeah. And what is that called, remember?
Adequan.
Adequan. So, made an appointment this morning. and he'll go in at 10 o'clock this morning.
Saturday.
I'm sorry, Saturday morning. He'll go into Saturday morning, 10 o'clock, and see his doctor that's been with him for years now. And, we'll just have to wait, see what she says, what she wants to do. There is a medicine out. It's not nothing that's going to cure him, but I think it'll help him a little bit if she recommends it. But that's what we read. I don't remember the name of the pill, do you?
Anapril.
Anapril? Okay, that's the name of the pill. So, and I'll mention it to her. So anyway, Rick, thank you. Cubby, thank you. This is the Cabish. This is Cubby, people. Cubby, Cubby, Cubby. Yep, my little sweetie. This is the Cabish. Yep, look at that beautiful face. Oh, that's Cubby, isn't it?
Oh, yes.
Let's give him the Cubby. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All right, now on we go. Today is mail day. And got something here from my friend Troy LaPlante. Super nice guy. He's also a reviewer. So if you have never heard of Troy, you might want to check him out. All right, Troy, I'm opening it up now, buddy. And look here, I got some ink. And Mr. Announcer, would you do the honors? I love those glass bottles.
Let's see. Okay, Chiku Ren Iroshizuku. I guess Chiku Ren is the color.
Okay.
It's a greenish color.
Yeah, and I do like the color. I really do. So, I think this is the color right there. It writes right there.
Probably, yes.
So, yeah, I do like the color. Huh. Well, Troy, thank you, my friend. So, God bless. Be safe, my friend. Stay in touch. Been getting your letters. I've been mailing them back. Give the best to the wife and the kids for me. Hope the wife is doing better now after her surgery. And as always, a lot of peace and a lot of love your way. Thank you, bud. And I think I got one more to do here. Today is mail call day. I love mail call. It's so much fun. Right here in this box, I think this is the last one. So, I plan on shipping some ink out soon, and Troy, I have you on the list. I don't know if you'll like the ink or not, but I'm going to send you some anyway. And the people that have seen the review have already sent me an email on the ink, so I haven't forgot those people at all. I just haven't even got around to do anything yet, so I've been so busy with Zooming and getting the new guests lined up for Zoom, and working with Frank Federalist Pens for his Black Friday sale and Cyber Monday. So I've been busy in letters and blah, 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 and taking care of Cubby a lot now. So Cubby is like my center of attention. He needs all of me right now, and he'll get all of me. I will do whatever it takes to take care of Cubby. So anyway, here we go. And this is a Mont Blanc, one of my favorite inks, Royal Blue. When I saw that, I thought of Mont Blanc Star War, Stargazer,
Star Walker.
Star Walker, Star Planet. What was that other one by Stars? What was that one but the when the aliens attacked the U.S., they invaded it?
Independence Day?
No. Remember the aliens come out, the big eye looking through there? what's his name was in it?
Oh, War of the Worlds.
Oh, War of the Worlds. I keep thinking of that. But anyway, royal blue, I don't know why. It reminds me of space. But anyway, here it is, and I'm excited about that. So that's going to do it today. Got it? Got it? Got it? And I got some more over there, and I got a new one coming in that Mr. Announcer got me. It's going to be a cool one, I think, anyway. So, hey, if you're interested in buying any of the Larry Fountain Pen gear, check out Mr. Announcer. What do you want to check out?
They can go to Store Frontier or to Zazzle. We have items on both.
All right. So, folks, that's going to wind it up for now. And I got to get ready for my next review. It's going to be an update review, but an interesting review, because after I do this review, later there's going to be a similar review, but you'll see how it's all going to fall in place. I know it's weird. I'm weird. I know it's not making any sense. I don't make any sense. And you know what? I really don't care. So, peace and love. I got a line on you. Wash them hands like that. Good 20 seconds. Stay this distance. Wear the mask. Wear the mask. It's not going to kill you. Wear the mask. You know, at least think of others. The safety of others. I can dig where you're coming from about the mask. I get it. And I'm not cutting you down. I totally get you. But just when you go somewhere, just wear the mask while you're in the store. And then take it off when you get out. And everything is cool and peace and love. And bye-bye. And as well as this thing right here. This telephone. I guess. It's a mobile phone. It's a phone. It's whatever you want to call it. Just don't be doing this while you're driving. Don't text and drive. Talk to you later. Bye. And thank you, Rick. Later. Bye. Thank you, Troy. Bye. Thank you, me. Bye. 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 Subscribe. Bye. Bye.